So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create your Namecheap account. It's very easy. Simply open your browser and type namecheap.com. And after typing that, you click enter. And once you click enter, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is Namecheap platform. And if you look over here, you're going to see sign up and sign in. And for this, you're going to use sign up because you don't have an account with them already. You want to create a new account. So when you click on sign up, it's going to bring you to this page where you fill this form. And the first form is your first name. So enter your first name. I'm going to enter Wisdom. Wisdom is my first name. Then my last name is Ofoke. Okay, enter your own last name and enter your email. For me, I'm going to use my company's email, which is team.xnovat@gmail.com. Okay, so write your own and make sure that you are entering a valid email. Then after that, they're going to ask for your username, and this is where you enter your username. For me, I'm going to enter xnovat limited. Okay, that's what I'm going to enter as my username. And here they're going to ask for password. You enter a password you can possibly remember. Make sure that you are entering what you can remember any day, anytime. So I'm going to enter my own password, and here is my own password. Also confirm the password. Enter the same password on this space and make sure that you get it correct. Make sure that both of them match each other. Okay, so make sure that they are the same. If not, they're going to ask you to go back and redo it. So after this, make sure that every details are entered correctly. So make sure that this is selected if you want to be getting email from Namecheap, which for me, I'm going to select it. And you can also unsubscribe from me from your email if later you don't want it again. So after everything, then the next thing you would do is to click on create account and continue. So when you click on this, it's very simple. Once you click on this, you can see that I've created my own. You can save your password. I've created my own Namecheap account, and this is my Namecheap dashboard. Okay, it's very easy. There's nothing difficult about it. Okay, and next thing, if you want to register something like hosting, this is where you can get your hosting. Over on hosting and click on shared hosting, buy your hosting if you need a shared hosting. Very simple. And if you need a domain, you hover here and click on search a domain name search, okay, to register a new domain. So it's very easy and simple. Okay, so you can do your own now, get your own Namecheap account. Just easy. See you guys in the next video.